Tired of staring at blank dashboards? Let's unlock the power of Looker Studio templates and transform your data reporting from zero to hero in just minutes. First, head over to Looker Studio and browse the template gallery. You'll find a variety of pre-built reports designed for different data sources and industries. Explore the options and choose the template that best aligns with your reporting needs. Once you've found a suitable template, click the Use Template button, which will prompt you to connect your own data source. This could be Google Analytics, Google Ads, Google Sheets, or any other supported connector. Select your data source and grant Looker Studio the necessary permissions to access your data. Make sure the data fields in your data source match the dimensions and metrics used in a template for seamless integration. Now comes the fun part: customization. Click on individual charts and tables to modify the dimensions, metrics, date ranges, and filters. Tailor the visualizations to focus on the insights that matter most to you. Don't forget to style your report to match your brand. Adjust the colors, fonts, and layout to create a visually appealing and professional dashboard. Experiment with different chart types to find the best way to present your data. And there you have it. With a few simple steps, you've transformed the generic template into a powerful, customized data dashboard. Start automating your reports today and unlock the full potential of your data.